Let me ask you something honestly. Do you see improvement in your art but still feel like you're not good enough? Do you sometimes achieve something and immediately start questioning whether it really matters? If self doubt keeps following you even after progress, this video is definitely for you. Many artists live in this constant loop. They grow, they improve, they create better work, but their mind does not accept it. Instead of celebrating progress, they still focus on what is missing. This creates emotional imbalance. You may compare your current work to someone who is far ahead. You ignore how far you have come and focus only on the gap. This habit slowly reduces confidence and motivation. Growth starts feeling invisible in that case. Here is something important you all need to understand. Self-doubt is not a reflection of your ability. It is a reflection of your focus. When you focus only on what is missing, you miss what is working. Doubt does not mean you are not progressing. It means you are not acknowledging your progress. Awareness builds a lot of confidence. Most artists think confidence comes after success, but confidence actually grows with recognition of small wins in your journey. When you ignore your wins, confidence struggles to build. When you start tracking your progress, your perspective changes. You see your journey more clearly. This clarity reduces unnecessary doubt. Reality replaces assumption. You don't need to become perfect to feel confident. You need to become aware of your growth. Awareness creates stability. Stability builds belief. When artists balance growth with self-acknowledgement, their confidence becomes stronger. They stop feeling like beginners all the time. They start trusting themselves. Imagine looking at your work and feeling proud instead of doubtful. Imagine celebrating your progress without comparing it to others. Imagine trusting your journey. That mindset is absolutely possible. If you are ready to reduce self-doubt and build real confidence, comment Art Business below. That one step can change everything about how you think and grow.